Joe Pelican, we are unboxing my new gaming mouse. Is he coming closer? Oh. Nice. Look, there's buttons on the side, and this little thing can go into my computer. And
it came all the way from China.
Now let's see how it lights up. 1 second. Let's see how this lights. We're gonna just plug it into the computer next year. I know this is my computer for alarms. Let's see how it looks whenever it's plugged in.
Whoa!
Nice.
Isn't that cool? Wow, it feels awesome.
You don't have to plug it in or anything.
Yeah, you have to plug it in.
Well, yeah, like you don't have to charge it.
Oh, that's good.
What's that?
Just amazing, guys.
That's awesome, guys. So that's going to be about it for this video, guys. I'll do a review on it in another video. Just remember to like that like button and like, comment, and subscribe. I always appreciate it. Bye!
Subscribe, you filthy animal.